Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to earn money on Behance by selling your creative work. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top of your Behance page. You'll want to hover your mouse over the option that says Share Work. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Project. This is where you'll begin setting up your work for sale and showcasing it to potential buyers. Once you click on Project, you'll be taken to a new page where you can input your project or design. This is essentially the presentation area where you'll upload and organize all the content you want to sell. Take a moment to arrange everything the way you want it to appear to viewers, as this will be their first impression of your work. Now look over to the right side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Attach Assets. Click on this button. This feature is crucial because it allows you to add downloadable files that buyers can purchase, such as templates, design files, or any other digital products you're offering. After clicking Attach Assets, a new window will pop up. Here, click on Choose File. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and locate the specific file you want to sell. Take your time to find the right file that matches what you're planning to offer. Once you've located the file in your browser, double-click on it to select and upload it. The file will then be added to your project, and you'll move on to the next step of configuring its details. Now you'll need to provide some important information about your file. First, give it a clear and descriptive file name so buyers know exactly what they're purchasing. Then adjust the category to match your work type, whether it's graphic design, illustration, photography, or something else. Next, select the appropriate license type. This determines how buyers can use your work, so choose carefully based on whether you want them to have personal use, commercial use, or other permissions. Below that, you'll see a section where you can give a description about your file. Use this space to explain what the file includes, what makes it valuable, and any special features or uses it has. A well-written description can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. Next, click on Add Example Images and upload an image. This preview image is what potential buyers will see before purchasing, so make sure it's high quality and accurately represents what they'll receive. It's your visual sales pitch, so choose something eye-catching and professional. Now scroll down to the section labeled Pricing Info and click on For Sale. This officially marks your asset as available for purchase and allows you to set your price. Take a moment to research similar products and price yours competitively. Here's an important step. You'll need to click on Connect with PayPal or Stripe and connect one of these payment processors. This is how you'll actually receive money when someone purchases your work. Follow the prompts to link your account and make sure all your payment information is correct so there are no issues when your first sale comes through. Once your payment method is connected, click Add Asset. Congratulations, you're now officially selling your work on Behance. All that's left to do is wait until someone pays for it and you'll start earning from your creative projects. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.